Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Testing Instinct. In this video I will be discussing about GraphQL data driven testing using scenario, outline and examples. I am going straight to the demo. I have already opened Eclipse IDE. In Karate API test project I have created a new feature file. The file name is GraphQL data driven testing using scenario outline.feature. I am copying the code from this particular feature file where I have used mutation and variables. So I will be making some changes in the code for doing data driven testing. So I am copying this complete scenario. This is currently scenario. We have to make this to scenario outline. That's the first step. I will change this scenario outline name. Data driven testing. We have to make some changes in the variables part. Here we have to use the embedded expression. I have already added that code in Notepad. Now I am pasting it in the feature file. So I am changing this. So the value of title, views and user ID is made into an embedded expression. The values to this variables will be provided from the examples section. This is the example section that we have to use here. Here the title column, views column, user ID column is having an exclamation symbol. It denotes that the value will be evaluated as a JavaScript data type. So to evaluate it as a number boolean or even inline JSON, we are using the exclamation symbol to the examples column header. That's a point to be noted. So these are the changes you have to make in order to make this feature into a data driven testing one. So the first one is scenario outline. Then you have to make changes in the variables part where you have to incorporate the embedded expression. The values to these variables will be provided from this examples section. So I am formatting this code. Now the code is formatted. I am checking the status code. Now I am going to hit this request. I have already started the fake GraphQL server in my local. You can see the log message. Now I am running this feature file. Run as Cucumber feature. You can see the scenarios code passed. I will open the report. We have provided two sets of data in the example section. So the scenario outline will be executed 2 times. We can verify that in the HTML report. I am opening the report in this browser. You can see the scenario is listed 2 times. That means for each set of data the scenario has executed. That means 2 times this particular scenario outline will be executed. So I will show the post section. You can see in the first set we are passing the value as title 1, views 1 and user ID 1. In the second scenario we are passing the value as title 2, views is still 1, user ID is 2. I will change that one to see the difference correctly. I am saving the feature file. I will also show the response. So this was the first iteration. This was the response. This was the second iteration. This is the response. I am going to execute this feature file once more. At that time, this views value will be changed. Before that, we have to add some assertion as well. We have only assert the status code. To assert the value of title, we can use the JSON path. So the complete response will be stored in the response keyword. So what you can do is that just add this particular line of code. So this will check the value of title is the value that we have passed from the example section. So here also we are using the embedded expression. So I am adding this line under this status code assertion. I am going to execute this feature file. Here I have only added 2 sets of data. You can add multiple sets of data. I have executed the feature file. I am refreshing the report. I will first show the second iteration and we check the values have changed or not. We can see the views values have been changed and assertion is passed. So this is the first response. Here it is title 1, views 1, user ID 1. Here title is title 2, views is 2 and user ID is 2. So you can see the value of views is coming as 2 since we have added that exclamation header to the example header, otherwise it will default to string. So this is how you can do data driven testing with the GraphQL APIs using scenario, outline and examples in Karate. I hope this session was useful for everyone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share, and if you have any queries, please comment on the video. I will be trying to clear out the queries. Thanks for watching and keep learning.